What's good, YouTube? What's good, people? What's going on? How is everybody doing? How is everybody doing? I guess you guys and I pray that you had a wonderful trading week. Whether you took some L's or you took some W's, I pray that you had a wonderful trading week. That's your boy Harlem, and we back at it. So today I want to share with you guys our weekly trading outlook for the coming week. I will just write the date on the thumbnail on our heading or topic. So I want to share with you guys our outlook for the coming week. But before we get any further with the video, make sure that you smash that like button, that you subscribe to the channel, that you share the video, you turn on the notification bell, you comment on the video, you click the link to sign up with the broker that I use. Or if you're looking to check out my day in the live blogs, you can still do that. I left the link right there. Or if you want to subscribe to my COT Academy services, or if you're looking for a legitimate Forex trading mentor, you guys know what COT Academy has came up with. You can choose which do you want to use from the three. Are you going to do the one-on-one or the 3-day one-on-one? Or are you just going to use the virtual one, which is working over the Zoom? So COT Academy has opened up the services just to assist you guys and make you guys professional, profitable, and far most importantly, rich as fuck. But without further ado, I've left my number and I've left my Instagram link right there. You can choose which do you want to do. Are you gonna text me? Are you gonna call me? Or are you just gonna send me a DM so we can further up our profession and further up our conversations and see what we can do from there? But without further ado, guys, let me hit the charts and let me share this wonderful gems for the coming week with you guys. Right. So starting off on the NAS. On the NAS, I want to show you guys what happened and what might possibly happen, right? So, Nes, when you clearly see, guys, that price once created this higher high and came back for a reaction, another reaction, another reaction, another reaction, and the other reaction right here, and price clearly moved to the downside. So when you clearly look at our current market price on the NES, price is moving in what? Price is using a clean uptrend, right? Price is holding a clean uptrend. Price is holding a clean uptrend of what? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and a possible new higher high, and a possible new higher low. So when you clearly see this direction, you now can see the picture that, okay, NAS is in an uptrend. And we have violated our what? We have violated our resistance or our zone. So from price, violating our resistance and closing above that very same resistance or our zone. And from price having this intraday pullback or intraday exhaustion phase, all that we're looking for the coming week on the NAS will be pretty simple, right? Are we going to have a retest of our zone from this move? Are we going to come back here for a retest so we can continue further to the upside? Or is price going to break above our highs and continue to the upside? This very same high, the very same high, right? This very same high that price is printed out. Are we going to have a what? A violation and looking forward for those new possible highs continuing to the upside. That's what we're going to be looking for the coming week. Are we going to have a retest to continue bullish, or are we going to break past our highs or break above our highs to look for those new higher highs? But if it happens that price breaks below our resistance, then I guess we can still move further to the downside with a stronger confirmation that, okay, we broke past our resistance and we broke below our resistance. Now that we're seeing bear signs, let's just look for that reversal to the downside based on what price trading below resistance. Do you guys get that? So this will be our trade idea on the NAS. Are we going to have a retest, or is price going to break past our highs to continue moving to the upside? And that will be it, right? Second pair that we're looking at going to be gold. So gold, I want to show you guys one thing, right? Again on gold. So gold hit this high, right? This all-time high from the hourly time frame. You can go check it out, please, guys, right? Because I strictly work on the 4 hour when I'm using the weekly outlooks, right? So gold had this all-time high from the 4 hour. From price having this all-time high on the 4 hour, And when you clearly zoom up, then when you clearly zoom in the charts, you can clearly see from price creating this high, price at this pullback, and now price is possibly looking to continue moving to the upside. So what we're gonna be looking for our coming week on gold will be pretty simple, straightforward, and clearly tradable, right? Because now price has created this high, and price is also holding what a uptrend structure of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and this possible high, right? For our coming week, we're simply looking for two things, right? Is price gonna break past our higher high, looking for what? For the new all-time high, or is price gonna have a fall to break off that higher high, was price giving us what? That bear depletion and bullish momentum below our high and anticipate the double top and anticipate that double top and just look to take sales or look to be bearish. We also don't know. But our trade idea will be very simple. Are we going to have a break out of our high? Are we going to have a breakout of our highs to continue bullish? Or are we going to have a fail to break and look for price being bearish? That's what we're going to be looking for, and that's what we're going to be anticipating. But without further ado, that will be our trade idea on gold. So wish line, right? That pair that we're going to be looking at, it's USD CAD. That pair that we're looking at is USD CAD. So USD CAD, I kept it simple, straight, and legit with you guys, right? We don't have a trade idea. But if it happens that price breaks above this intraday support, when you clearly see that, okay, we had multiple reactions of price pushing to the upside every time we are above the zone. If we can get price trading above again the zone, we can move to the upside. Or if we get price coming back to our zone right here and have a fail to break below, we can anticipate that reversal to the upside. Or if price has a break below this very same zone, we can anticipate that further move to the downside. But without further ado, we don't have a trade idea on USD CAD. What do? We slide, right? The other pair that we're looking at gonna be Tesla. So Tesla, I kept it very simple, right? Because for the previous week, guys, I showed you guys that okay, Tesla is like this. We might be looking for something like this, right? So now that we're on our weekly trading outlook, not our Q2 review, all that we're gonna be looking for now on Tesla will be pretty simple because now we're waiting for confirmation. The kind of confirmation that we're waiting for is to see that is price gonna break above our support, or is price gonna stay below? Or is price gonna do it? Stay below our what? Stay below our support. So if we can get a break above support, we can move to the upside. Or if we get a fail to break above and stay below, we can anticipate moves to the downside. But that's why I simply say I'm waiting for confirmation. What is gonna happen? Are we gonna break above or are we gonna stay below? And that's when we can put our money to work. But without further ado, we slide to our last trading pair, which is BTC USD. BTC USD, right? And guys, don't forget that COT Academy, we're having those three services that we have opened up. We're having the 3-day one-on-one, we're having that one-on-one, and we're having that virtual one. You choose which do you want to subscribe to, and you choose which do you want to work on. So COT Academy can give you this wonderful gems that we keep on sharing week in, week out, week in, week out. So you can stop being on YouTube and capitalize independently. Do you guys get that? So Bitcoin will be our last trading pair. Bitcoin, I'm also waiting for confirmation because you can clearly see that from price having this low that we spoke about, price created this intraday high and price came back, created this intraday low, and now price is holding some type of intraday high. What is going to happen for the coming week? We just don't know. That's why I say I wait for confirmation. Based on what we're looking at, if price continues moving to the upside, or if we can get a break above this racing zone, we can still look to continue moving up. Or if price stays below this racing zone, we can still anticipate that possible move to the downside because price is in our resistance. If we are above resistance, we continue up. If we're below resistance, we look for reversals to the downside. Do you guys get that? So this will be our trade ideas for the coming week, guys. This will be what we're anticipating and what we're going to be looking for and what we might be looking forward to putting our money to work on, right? I pray, guys, that all that I share with you guys, you take it into account. But this ain't financial advice because everything I say and everything that I do is entirely based on my own experience and my own opinions. It can happen it might not happen. All that I want to emphasize and push is you guys to use what you know, work on what you understand, and see what COT Academy CEOs anticipate, and see what you also anticipate, and just mix and match everything and see what you can come up with. But without further ado, guys, I appreciate the support, I appreciate the love, I appreciate the unity, the dignity, the consistency, the discipline, the fearlessness, and the optimism. And far most importantly, I appreciate all that you're doing for me. But without further ado, guys, it's COT Academy to the world. It's COT Academy to the world. It's COT Academy to the world. This is your boy Halif. That's all I got on this video.